Hi Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the month of July 2021 with me Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Cancer, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate or twin flame connection for the month of July 2021. Also Cancer, please note that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you Cancer, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising and your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate the support by clicking like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month, every month. Okay, so let's look at into the reading here Cancer. On this side here is your energy, and then on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. The sign that I'm getting coming up for you here Cancer, I'm getting a very strong water energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I'm also getting a very strong earth energy coming up here, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, as well as air sign, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. You could have any of those signs in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs in their chart. Now looking at the energy for you here Cancer, let's start with this 10 of Swords, the 2 of Cups, and then I've got the Page of Cups with the overall energy 10 of Cups. Wow, look at this, I've got the Lovers coming up here as well. So there is no doubt about the soul connection that both of you shared here Cancer. For those of you who are new to the channel and just or new to the concept of soulmate or twin flame, or just new to hold this concept of soul connection here, and wondering if the person in your mind here is your true soulmate or your true divine counterpart, the answer is yes. I've got the Lovers energy comes up here. Now let's start with this 10 of Swords energy here first. First thing that I've got coming up for you here Cancer, I'm getting a little bit of betrayal energy coming up here. So I feel like betrayal and backstab energy. Now even though I'm not getting this strongly because of the connection or with your soulmate or with your twin flame here, I do feel like you might have, some of you here I would say here, might have some trust issues and some insecurities within yourself. And the reason for that here could be due to your past, I would say here Cancer, in a sense that you might have gone through certain things in the past that is just triggering the trust issue within yourself, just triggering that insecurity within yourself. I'm getting a very strong broken energy coming up here as well, and I feel like this is what's serving as a trigger within yourself, and this is what made you feel that okay, you are not good enough, you don't deserve this, you always push people away. All of those stuff is what I'm getting here. However, I've also got the 2 of Cups here again, the 2 of Cups and the Lovers here. This is a very strong soul connection between both of you, no denying this, especially with these two energy coming up together here. So please do not have any doubt, I do feel like both of you have a very strong soul connection. Now when we are talking about such a strong soul connection here, the challenges or the intensity and the triggers that is happening on an individual level between both of you here is also equally as high, also equally as intense here. And I feel like this is what both of you might have gone through, a separation, or both of you gone through some sort of unnecessary misunderstanding, unnecessary argument between both of you here. Another thing that I've got coming up here Cancer is that with this Page of Cups energy, I'm getting some of you here, not all of you, I'm getting a little bit of some of you here. I'm getting there is an age gap between both of you, I would say here Cancer, or at least there is a little bit of immaturity or childishness coming up here within both of you within this situation. Now I've also got the 10 of Cups coming up here. There is definitely a very strong chance that both of you will be ending up together, that both of you going to have the family that you desire, the wish fulfillment energy coming up here. But at the same time, the road that both of you need to travel on here, it may take a little bit some time for that, is what I'm getting here Cancer. Now looking at your person energy here, I've got the Ace of Pentacles, the 6 of Swords, and then I've got the 5 of Wands. I've got 2 aces coming up here and the Sun card. This is like ultimate success. I won't even say ultimate success, like 100% ultimate success, ultimate yes, ultimate happiness coming up here. Both of you are meant to be together, and both of you are definitely going to get back together here, Cancer, and there is no doubt on that here. But let me start with the Six of Swords and the Five of Wands first. Now with the Six of Swords energy, I'm getting a little bit of distance energy coming up here between both of you, in a sense that both of you could have a physical distance, like in a long distance relationship, or just like could be in a different state, could be in a different country, could be in a different city. Or this could also be talking about an emotional distance between both of you here, Cancer, that which is what made you feel as if, you know, like both of you are just, or at least one of person here is just like being distanced. And I've also got the Five of Wands coming up here. I would say here your person, they are having a very strong conflicted energy within themselves here. And why do I mean this? I mean, like, what do I mean by this conflicted energy here is that they do have feelings towards you. I would even say that they do love you here, but with this conflicted energy or this conflicted feeling within themselves, it's like they are having an inner conflict within themselves here. And this is also part of the challenge or part of the triggers that they need to go through here. Same as you here with this Ten of Swords energy here, that part of your challenge or part of your trigger here is that to release any type of trust issue, letting go of any type of betrayal or pain that you have been carrying on from the past here. And some of you here, Cancer, might have been either not in communication or just like on and off communication here, where the communication is definitely going to pick up, where they are going to communicate with you and they're going to, you know, like they're going to come in all in, full of honesty and full of clarity here. Overall, I'm getting a wonderful energy here, and please do not worry that I do see both of you are meant to be together and both of you will be together here, especially with this Lovers card and the Ten of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups energy here. Now, closing up the reading, I'm going to pull up some channel messages for you and let's see what we have. Just confirming the whole reading right here for you, Cancer. Yes, so ultimate success, ultimate happiness, both of you are meant to be together and both of you will be together. So some of you here who click this reading, maybe with some questions that you have within yourself, they've been asking yourself here, the answer for that is yes. And then the channel message that I've got here is that you mean the world to me. So this is how they feel towards you here, Cancer. That's it for your reading for the month of July 2021. I hope it resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye-bye.